Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, welcome to grade 8. This is your math teacher. Now, lecture number 2, part A. Today, we will discuss about what is subset. Subset is a collection of the two words sub and set. Sub means small and set means collection of the well-defined distinct objects, and it is denoted by this sign. Students, there are two main conditions of the subsets. Empty set is a subset of every set, and every set is a subset of itself. For example, set A contains 1 and the 2, and set B contains 1, 2, 3, and these are called elements of subsets. Set A is a subset of set B. Why? Because set B contains all elements of the set A. That's why set A is subset of set B. Now, formation of the subset. In order to form the subset, we have 2 power n. Here n is the number of the elements in the set. For example, A contains 1 and the 2, B contains 1, 2, 3. It means that there are 2 elements in set A and 3 elements in set B, and set A contains 4 subsets and set B contains 8 subsets. Now, subsets of set A according to condition. Firstly, we write empty set, then single element in the form of the subset like 1, 2, and then after this complete set in the form of the subset. Now, subsets of the set B 1, 2, and 3. According to conditions, firstly we write the empty set, then single element 1, 2, 3. Now fix the first element which is 1 and vary with the 2 and 3. Fix the 1 and vary with 2, then fix the 1 and vary with the 3. Now fix the second element which is 2 and vary with the 3. Now each set is a subset of itself. That's why 1, 2, and 3. So in other words, subset of set B are empty set 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. These are the subsets of set B. I hope you have understood the whole concept. If you have any problem regarding this topic, you may contact me on this ID abasdar867@gmail.com. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.